Hello there. So this is exactly what I'll be teaching you how to build. So you'll be learning how to make an e-commerce website for your business. So somewhere you can actually add your product, showcase your product to your clients, and they can easily just come to your website, check out your product, and not just check them out, right? So they can add them to carts, select the product that they want to buy or that they want to get for themselves. Once they are done selecting these different products, so they can also like make payments. They can make payments for this product. So that makes it very wonderful, right? So let's assume these are the things I want to get. I can easily just click on the proceed to checkout and make payments for these guys. I'll add my delivery details, select the shipping method. So I'll be teaching you how you can also add different locations that you want to deliver to on the platform, right? So whenever anybody wants to make a payment, they can see these different locations and they can select the one that's closest to them and they can actually make payments. So you would also be learning how you can add your payments details so that whenever they want to make payments, they will just like you'll be receiving the alerts on the accounts that you added to receive the payments to, right? So these are the different things you'll be learning, and you'll also be learning how you can attach your WhatsApp number is also added on the website, right? So you can see these dots here. So whenever they click on the WhatsApp icon, they can send you a message to your WhatsApp number. So that's amazing, guys. So these are the different ways that you can set up. These are the different things that you'll be learning on how you can set up the online store, and it is very beneficial in the fact that you don't need to start sending 50 different products to just one client before they decide what they want. They can easily just give them your website link. They will just go there and see all your different products, select what they want and make payments. You receive the alerts and you can just close the deal like that, right? So these are the different things you'll be getting. And also apart from this, you'd also be getting some other things like these are the things that you'll be getting, right? So apart from that particular this one I just showed you, the e-commerce video of the website, you would also be getting how to register your business on the platform, how you can add your products to the store, how you can manage your customers, and some other important information about the platform that you need to be aware of, right? And the things that you need to do to set it up correctly. So you also be learning how you can design your logo and flyer for your business, right? I'll be teaching you that. So, and also how you can get clients online. I'll teach you how you can get clients online. This one works for if you have an online skill or if you have services that you render, right? I'll be teaching you how you can target people that are interested in your services and reach out to them and get work for them and get paid. I'll also be teaching how you can get more sales, right? As a business owner, everybody wants to make more sales. So I'm sharing some very, very important ways that you can actually get more sales for your business and grow your business in the same way, right? So I also shared you some templates and some documents that will be very useful for you if you are a business owner or you have a service that you render online, right? So all of these things, they are going for a discount at the moment, and if you'll be interested, and just click on the link and actually enroll for the class. This is a very, very limited discount, right? So that's the number of slots, and the slots are going as I speak, right? So if you'd be interested in this, so I urge you to don't delay, get in the class, get all the value, start implementing and start seeing results for your business, right? So I hope to see you soon, and bye for now.